Hi, my name is Farida. I talk about living a life of ease, remote work, and travel for Black and Muslim women. If any of these things sound like a vibe, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm sharing real work from home opportunities that you can apply to right now. These are great if you're trying to transition out of burnout, a toxic workplace, or just want more flexibility in your life. Maybe you have some little ones and you want to stay home with them, but also earn a remote income, and you're not the business owner type. Maybe you just need a little money to help make ends meet with the new gas increases, price increases, and food increases. So let's just jump right into it. The first position is a company called JSX, and they are hiring for a part time reservations representative. You would be assisting customers with booking flights and reservations, handling changes, cancellations, and general inquiries, and providing high level customer service via phone and email. JSX is known for its elevated flying experience, less stress, smaller crowds, and luxury vibes without the private jet pricing. And they are based out of Dallas, Texas. Their headquarters is in Dallas. So that is really great news for my Dallas remote workers. That gives you a little bit of a heads up when you are applying because you've got to do all of your training in Dallas. So you'll be here anyway, wherever you get the job from. So definitely, it's a great perk. Because it is a small airline company, you get travel benefits, a flexible schedule, and it's also entry level friendly for those of you just dipping your feet into remote work for the first time. And the pay is around $18 per hour. Job number two is a company called Brinks Home. We all know about Brinks. They are a home security company and they are hiring for a field service tech support specialist. You would be troubleshooting home security systems, assisting customers with installation issues, and providing technical support over the phone. So, we all know Brinks, they're well established, reputable company in home security, so you're not stepping into anything new or unstable. The perks are you would have a benefits package, paid training, and a stable career. Their start date for this position is April 6th, and the pay is typically $18 to $22 per hour. This is a full-time position. Position number three is a company called Dane Street. They are hiring for disability customer service rep, and they're also hiring for a government customer service rep. So, Dane Street is in healthcare and independent medical evaluations, especially tied to insurance and government services. You would be handling disability claims communication, supporting clients and medical professionals, and managing case updates and documentation. The pay is $15 to $21 per hour, depending on your experience. And these are both full time roles. The perks are you get consistent work, they are remote friendly roles, and it gives you that much needed experience in healthcare and admin fields. The final job is from a company called Forma. They are hiring for a customer implementation specialist. Forma is a tech company focused on employee benefits platforms. You would be onboarding new clients onto the platform, managing implementation timelines, and training and supporting customers. Forma is in the tech HR benefits space. They are modern, growing, and a very remote work friendly company. Perks for this company is definitely the salary. These salaries are higher than usual. They would start you off at $60,000 to $80,000 per year, depending on your experience. These jobs range from entry level to more experienced roles. So, whether you're just starting your remote journey or trying to level up, you have options. And remember, if you go to the sites and these positions are gone, they've already hired, just go ahead and put in all remote jobs. Something new pops up all the time. You can do the exact same thing in my remote work playlist. Go straight to the company website, check to see what is available at that time, and apply. I offer coaching calls to guide you step by step and give you 10 remote leads to go on. All right, have a wonderful week and let's get these remote jobs. Bye.